Hi viewers, welcome to today's session. In today's session, let us discuss about BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. What do you mean by BODMAS rule and what it stands for? In arithmetic expressions which involves operations and brackets, to solve such an arithmetic expressions, we should perform operations in order, right? So an arithmetic expression which involves operations and brackets, so such an arithmetic expression we need to perform in order, right? So here in BODMAS stands for, that is B stands for brackets. As B stands for brackets, we have vinculum in the sense which is a bar. We need to write a bar on the top of the numbers. For example, see 2 into 3 bar over the numbers. Then the first priority goes to this 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6. So that is the first bracket, vinculum. And then we have simple bracket. So this is our simple bracket. Then the next priority is curly brackets. So this is our curly brackets. Then the next priority goes to square brackets. This is our square bracket. So these are the brackets which are involving in the hierarchy of operations. And the operations are, the next one is O stands for of, and D stands for division, and here M stands for multiplication, and A stands for addition. Here this A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction, children. Yes, as the first priority goes to brackets, if at all any brackets are which are involving in the arithmetic expression, so first priority goes to brackets, and then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Children, let us solve a simple arithmetic expression. For example, 7 into 6 minus 8 minus 4, children. This is an arithmetic expression. Suppose we have a vinculum bracket also. So as we know, children, the first priority goes to bracket, which is vinculum bracket. So we have to solve that. First of all, 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. Now in this arithmetic expression, we have multiplication and subtraction operations. As we know that among multiplication and subtraction, the first priority goes to multiplication, right? So 7 into 6, 7 6 are 42 minus 4, children. As 42 minus 4, that is equal to 38, right? So let us solve one more expression. For example, 18 plus 64 divided by 4 into 26 minus 14 minus 7 minus 3, children. Okay, this is the arithmetic expression which involves brackets and operation. So we have vinculum bracket also. So the first priority goes to vinculum. Let us write 18 plus 64 divided by 4 into 26 14 minus, children, 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. So the first priority goes to vinculum bracket, this, right? Now next priority goes to what, children? Simple bracket. So that is 18 plus 64 divided by 4 into 26 minus The next priority goes to 14 minus 4. That is equal to how much, children? That is 10. Second priority goes to simple bracket. Now we have curly bracket also, children. Yes. So 18 plus 64 divided by 4 into as 26 minus 10. So 26 minus 10, that is equal to 16, children. Right? Now 18 plus 64 divided by 4. So let us remove the bracket. So it will become of 4 into, it becomes bracket of, right? 4 into 16. So what is 4 into 16? Here we are using the operation is of, children. So priority goes to of. Priority goes to of 4 of 16. 4 into 16. 16 4 ja 64. Right? Now we have addition and division. So 18 plus 64 divided by 64. 64 divided by 64, that is equal to 1, children. So that is 18 plus 1, that is equal to 19. Because here we have only addition operation, so priority goes to only addition. Right? So the first operation we performed here, the bracket is vernaculum, and we performed here simple bracket, and we have here performed curly brackets, then we performed of, and here we performed division, and here performed addition operation. See the hierarchy of operations. First priority goes to brackets. First priority goes to brackets. Right? Then here we have simple bracket, and here we have curly bracket. Then the priority goes to of, OF of, multiplication, of in the sense multiplication. 4 into 16, 64. Then priority goes to division, 64 divided by 64, 1. So 18 plus 1, 19. Children, when we are solving operations, we need to perform certain hierarchy. Okay, in simple words, for example, you see, let us consider, for example, 5 plus 5 into 5 divided by 5 minus 5. So when we are solving this, sometimes we will do 5 plus 5, 10, 10 into 5, 50, 50 divided by 5, 10, 10 minus 5, 5. We will say the answer 5, but this is wrong, children. Are you understanding my point? Generally we will do 5 plus 5, 10, 10 into 5, 50, 50 divided by 5, 10, 10 minus 5, 5. But that order is wrong. So first priority goes to, here the first priority goes to this 5 divided by 5, children. 5 plus 5 into 5 divided by 5, 1 minus 5, children. Okay. Then next priority goes to 5 into 1. 5 plus 5 1 5 minus 5, children. Then next priority goes to 5 plus 5, that is 10. 10 minus 5, 5, children. Okay. This also answer is correct, but the way we did, the hierarchy operations, it should be followed when we are solving arithmetic expressions. So here we got answer is 5, children. See, remember, children, so which is an important rule, that is called BODMAS. B stands for bracket, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So the brackets which are involved in the arithmetic expressions are vernaculum, simple bracket, curly brackets, and square brackets. And the operations are of, OF of, and division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So when we are solving arithmetic expression, we need to perform the operation in the hierarchy of order. Okay, I hope you understood this topic, children. That is BODMAS rule. If you like, you please do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you, children.